एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच.
On behalf of the entire SMC family, I take this opportunity to wish every one of you a happy Guru Nanak Jayanti. Every celebration of a Jayanti reminds us of the great contributions made by the persons to the society and the legacy left behind. They lived a life of love and sacrifice, gave up the comforts offered by this world and chose the road less travelled. One such great person is Guru Nanak, who lived 5 centuries back. Sri Nanak ji got an opportunity to learn Hinduism and Islam. After gaining all the knowledge, he spoke wisdom. There is no Hindu, no Muslim. Religion is not above humanity. He rejected rituals, pilgrimages, fasts, and all outward observances which cause disunity and intolerance. His hymns and chanting won the hearts of the simple peasants of Punjab, who followed him in huge numbers. All religion teaches that there is one great superpower, God, who is above everything. God is truth, God is love, and religion should be a pathway to reach God. This day is also known as Prakash Utsav, celebration of light. As enlightened persons, we resolve to learn the values this great Guru has taught us. Sikhism says, the man who graspeth God in his heart, he, no other, is the true Brahmin. So, let us capture the essence of the religion we belong to and live the values it teaches. The practice of our own religion should lead us to spirituality and not limit us to religiosity. Thus, day by day, let us grow into spiritual persons beyond the practices of various rituals. May God, the Creator of us all, bless us, protect us, and guide us on our journey of life. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we, the students of class 8C, are going to present a short digital prayer assembly on the auspicious occasion of Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti, also known as Guru Nanak's Prakash Utsav, celebrates the birthday of the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak Jayanti is one of the most crucial festivals in India as well as all over the world. It is observed to memorize the teaching of Guru Nanak Dev. He was the first Guru and a great spiritual teacher.
Guru Nanak Jayanti, the most sacred festival of Sikhism, celebrates the birth of Guru Nanak, the first Sikh Guru. Guru Nanak or Guru Nanak Dev Ji, regarded as the founder of Sikhism, was born on 15th April 1469 in Raibhodi, Talwandi in the present Sheikhpura district of Pakistan, which is now known as Nankana Sahib. Guru Nanak was born in the month of Kartik on the day of full moon known as Kartik Purnima.
One day came light on earth. The darkness went away and the shadows dispersed. A a special light of God to bring humanity out of the dark. As a child, he was beyond his years. He taught love to his teachers and all his peers. He knew that there was more to know. Inside his heart, the light of God was aglow. Guru Nanak, the savior of the world, came here to tell us the way to find God. Guru Nanak, the savior of the world, came here to tell us the way to find God.
Guru Nanak Jayanti is also known as Guru Purab. It is one of the biggest festivals of Sikhs. The birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated in the month of Kartik on the full moon day, known as Kartik Purnima. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was the founder of the Sikh religion. He was the first Sikh Guru. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born on 15th April 1469 in Rai Bhoidi, Talwandi in the present Sheikhupura district of Pakistan, which is now known as Nankana Sahib.
On this auspicious occasion of Guru Nanak Jayanti, the messengers of Guru Nanak Dev Ji spread his special message. Asati Var or morning hymns are sung during the Amrit Vela, that is, early morning 4 or 5 am. These hymns are followed by the kathas and kirtans in the praise of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. A langar agreement is followed where everyone is invited to have a full meal, which is hosted by the volunteers.
वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. The Sikh religion is based on 3 pillars. They are Kirat Karo, Naam Japo and Vand Chako. Kirat Karo. It is one of the 3 pillars of Sikhism, which means to earn an honest, pure and dedicated living by exercising one's God-given ability, talent, skills and hard work in our life. Naam Japo. It is the second pillar of Sikhism, which refers to meditation, contemplating various names of God, especially Vaheguru, which means wonderful Lord. By doing his meditation and chanting hymns known as Kirtan, we can get connected to God. Vanchako. Vanchako is the third main pillar of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, founder of Sikhism. A Sikh is expected to contribute a portion of their wealth or income to people in need or to a worthy cause. An alternative meaning and spelling Van ke chapna means to share the fruits of one's labor before considering oneself. This living acts as an inspiration and support to entire community. Thank you.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings. Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave the message of Hukum Rajai Chalna, Nanak Likhya Nal. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that everything happens by God's grace. So rest assured that God knows better what is right or wrong for us. We should therefore accept His decisions without any grudge or question. Guru Nanak Dev Ji passed the message of universal brotherhood. Universal brotherhood is a strong theme in Gurbani written by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. In our prayer, we say this line at the end of daily Ardas. Nanak Naam Chardi Kala, Tere Pare Sarbatta Bala. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that no one can save anybody else. It is our Guru who guides us to safety. And to be saved, one has to follow the right path of Seva and Simran told by him. Guru Nanak Dev Ji preached against superstitions, false rituals, demigods and goddesses. He believed that only one God, the formless, is to be glorified. In this way, he showed the path of truth and enlightenment.
तन मन दा फकीर भैन नानकी दा वीर तन मन दा फकीर नीए जोगियां दा जोगी नीए जोगियां दा जोगी ते पीरां दा पीर भैन नानकी दा वीर तन मन दा फकीर साथी दो ने प्यारे दे बाला मरदाना रब नाले दे रह के एदा करे शुकराना एक ओंकार दा पुजारी एनू नाम दी खुमारी मोढे सबरा दी खारी सच जांदा अग चीर भैन नानकी दा वीर तन मन दा फकीर
सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु
सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु
नानक आया कल तारन गुरु नानक आया
नानक आया कल तारन गुरु नानक आया
नानक आया कल तारन गुरु नानक आया
नानक आया कल तारन गुरु नानक आया चलो चल रल मिल दर्शन करिए सतगुरु नानक आए ने चलो चल रल मिल दर्शन करिए सतगुरु नानक आए ने
चलो चल भवसागर मिल तरिए कल युग तारन आए ने
चलो चल भवसागर मिल तरिए कल युग तारन आए ने
सतगुरु नानक आए ने सतगुरु नानक आए ने
चलो चल रल मिल दर्शन करिए सतगुरु नानक आए ने
चलो चल रल मिल दर्शन करिए सतगुरु नानक आए ने
एक ओंकार
There is only one God.
सतनाम
Truth is His name.
कर्ता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत
He is a creator, protector without fear nor enmity, a form that does not exist in time.
अजूनी सैभंग गुर प्रसाद जप
Never born, self-perpetuating, with Guru's grace reside.
आद सच जुगाद सच
True in the beginning, true through ages.
है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच
True even now, and says Nanak will be true in future.
Let us join our hands, close our eyes and pray to the Almighty. O Lord, we come to you today asking for your guidance, support and wisdom. Help us to face the problems in our daily life and guide us to the right path.
O God, help us to be obedient and honest at all times. Make us understand the difference between right and wrong. Help us to remove all evils of dishonesty, anger, ego, etc. from us. O God, keep us under your guidance.
Dear God, we bow our heads and seek your blessings. Make us good and obedient. May happiness and blessings surround us as we join together to remember our beloved Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and may we be able to follow his teachings and keep us on right path.
माननीय प्रबंधिका महोदया, सिस्टर मैरियट, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, सिस्टर लिसी एवं हेडमिस्ट्रेस सिस्टर रेनू, प्रिय अभिभावकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आज गुरु नानक देव जी के प्रकाशोत्सव पर मैं आप सभी को ढेरों शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। फिर उठी आखत सदाई तौहीद की पंजाब से, हिंद को एक मर्द ने कामन जगाया ख्वाब से। डॉक्टर इकबाल ने एक अपनी पुस्तक में लिखा है कि पंजाब में एक ऐसी शख्सियत का, एक ऐसे शख्स का जन्म हुआ जिसने सारे विश्व को, सारी दुनिया को मानवता एवं एकाधिकार का संदेश दिया। 1469 में बाबे नानक का जन्म तलवंडी नामक स्थान पर हुआ था। उन्होंने वंड छको, नाम जपो, कीर्त करो संदेश दिया, जिसका अर्थ है नाम जपो, ईश्वर का नाम लो, कीर्त करो, हमेशा सुकर्म करो, अच्छे कर्म करो, और वंड छको, आपके पास जितना है उसको बांट कर खाओ। बाबे नानक ने कम्युनिटी किचन अर्थात सामुदायिक रसोई का प्रारंभ किया। उन्होंने इस प्रथा को इस प्रकार प्रारंभ किया जिसमें बिना किसी धर्म, जाति, संप्रदाय के सभी लोग एक ही पंगत में बैठकर खाते हैं। ये प्रथा वर्तमान में भी हर गुरुद्वारे में पाई जाती है। हर गुरुद्वारे में आज भी बिना किसी धर्म, जाति के भेदभाव के सभी मानव जाति के लोग एक पंगत में बैठकर खाते हैं। यही नहीं, उन्होंने नारी सशक्तिकरण पर भी आज से लगभग 550 वर्ष पहले लिखा था। सो क्यों मंदा आखिए जित जन्मे राजा। उन्होंने स्त्री को समाज में समान दर्जा दिया, पुरुष के साथ खड़ा किया। उन्होंने कहा कि हम इस स्त्री को बुरा क्यों कहें जिसने दिग्गज राजाओं को जन्म दिया है। ऐसे गुणों के धनी बाबे नानक के प्रकाशोत्सव पर मैं आज आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आज भी उनकी ज्योति गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी के रूप में हम सबके बीच विराजमान है। आइए हम सब भी उनके चरणों पर चलें, उनकी कही बातों को माने और मानवता के संदेश को दुनिया में फैलाएं। चरण चलो मार्ग गोविंद। थैंक यू।
As all things come to an end, we would now like to conclude our assembly with a gesture of gratitude towards all those who took out time to help us prepare our virtual assembly. On behalf of Class 8C, I take this opportunity to thank our principal, Sister Lissy, our manager, Sister Marriott, our headmistress, Sister Renu, who encouraged and guided us. I also thank them for giving us this opportunity to showcase our talent through this platform. This assembly would not have been possible without the help of our teachers, Mr. Anurag Pandey and Mrs. Poonam Bhutani. A special thanks to Sister Renu and the students of Class 8C for their untiring efforts. Once again, I wish you a happy Guru Nanak Jayanti, and I hope we all will learn from the life and teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Thank you.